Hello, what's up guys? Welcome back to our channel. This is Abubakar and he is my best friend guys. So yesterday our friend Hassan told us that he have a great collection of parrots. So we are out of control.
Yeah.
We wanna see their parrots, what kind of parrots he have. So we are out of control totally.
Yeah.
I'm right?
Yes, you are right.
So we made a plan that we will go towards his home in order to show my audience what kind of parrots my friend have. So please come with me, but not with me, with my friend also. So we will show you the parrots of my friend Hassan. So come with us. So finally guys, we've reached our friend, and I am, as you know, we are Abubakar and Mudassar. In every video you see us. So he is our friend. How are you, bro? Are you okay?
Okay.
His name is, tell
Hassan.
you to,
My name is Hassan.
his name is Hassan. So he's like a little bit Sharmila. It's okay, but so we are very excited that yesterday he told us via audio call he have a nice collection of parrots. When he saw our videos,
Yes.
then he told us. So we came to come to his home in order to show you his parrots. So please introduce what kind of parrots you have in your house and how you love your parrots. Tell your ambitions, hobbies about your parrots to our audience. So please, so cameraman, please come closer to us in order to capture his voice clearly. So
Look, bro, I have different types of breed of parrots, like blue macaw, grey
Oh.
neck, grey parrots, blah blah cockatoos.
Australian parrots like
These parrots are
Yes.
so
Ah,
precious.
because-
I have red eyes Australian lovebirds.
love birds.
Oh,
They
my
are
favorite.
my also favorite. So how you care about your parrots?
About my
Possessive
parrots, possessive about my parrots.
I think my friend is getting hesitate in
Little
front
bit
of
confused.
camera, but it's okay because it's first time for him to face a camera. So it's okay. If you don't mind, can you show your parrots to my audience?
Sure.
Okay, come. Wow, such a nice parrots. Wow. They are looking so awesome. Very nice. असन वो बच्चे शो करें शो पैरट्स बेबी पैरट्स wow, such a nice. Wait 1 minute. फोकसिंग का मसला है. Baby parrot. Thanks guys for watching this video. Hope you enjoy this video, and I think our friend Hassan also enjoyed this video.
Yeah,
Am I right?
absolutely.
Yo, nice.
So please connect with us and wait for our next video. Thank you.
Tada, bye.